Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, red color, green color, black color, and yellow color. Kids, now I draw alphabets, and first I draw A, and here is blue color. A for apple, A for airplane, B for ball, B for bat, C for cat, C for car, D for dog, D for doll. It's again use blue color and draw. E for egg, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fan, G for god, G for glass, H for hand, H for helicopter, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit. It's neither K for kite, K for king, and here is red color. The alphabets of K. L for lion, L for lemon, M for moon, M for mango, N for nose, N for nest. It's again use red color and draw. O for orange, O for octopus, P for parrot, P for penguin, Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids, neither R for rose, R for rice, and here is green color. S for sun, S for snack, T for teacher, T for tiger, U for umbrella, U for uncle, V for van, V for vanilla, W for wallet, W for watch. Kids, neither X for x-ray, X for telephone, and here is black color. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra, and Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.